I'm Anil Kumar, and here is question number 2 on review of Unit 7 Trigonometry for my subscriber Ellen. The question here is, write an equation that is equivalent to y equals to minus 5 sine of x minus pi by 2 minus 8 using cosine function. So let me rewrite this particular equation, which is y equals to minus 5, sine of x minus pi by 2 minus 8. What we need to do here is write it in terms of cosine. That means you have to change sine to cos. That is how we have to do it, right? So we are using cofunction identities. Now let us explore the given function itself. So on a coordinate plane, let us assume that x is one acute angle. So let us say this is angle x for us, okay? When I say x minus pi by 2, that means what? It means that you take away pi by 2 from here, so you will land up in this quadrant, correct? So that is from here, x minus pi by 2, correct? So you take away, so this angle, if you do, then you land up here, right? So this becomes the angle x minus pi by 2, correct? So that is what you land up with. You can clearly see here that sine value is negative here. So you are expecting a negative value for this particular portion. Is it okay? Negative value, right? So when we write it in terms of cosine of x, which is a cofunction and x is acute, then cosine is going to be positive, correct? Since this is negative, we have to write negative of cos. So we should get this as minus 5, and we'll write this as negative of, let me use a square bracket here, cos of x minus 8. You get the point, right? So therefore, it should be plus 5 cos of x minus 8. It's very important to understand this aspect. If you calculate the value, then what are you going to get? Sine of x minus pi by 2 will be a negative value multiplied by negative 5 will give you a positive value. Here we'll get a positive value, and that's the whole issue, correct? So you can also take an example. You can take x as some value as 30 and figure it out. So that way you can check your answer also in the test. But that is how you can write this sine function as a cosine function, and what we applied here is a cofunction identity, correct? When the triangle has been rotated by pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, then every trigonometric function gets converted to its cofunction. We have to only check for the sign. Depending on the quadrant, the sign could be negative or positive, right? So that is what you have to consider. I hope that helps. Thank you.